Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject thermodynamic for civil services mains, IFS and various gate exam. And we have solved some questions based on last year's theorem in the chapter of entropy. Now we'll solve some more questions in the chapter of entropy based on entropy change. Question number 7 is 1 kilomole of an ideal gas Cp is equal to 21 kilojoule per kilomole per Kelvin undergoes a constant pressure process from 300 Kelvin to 500 Kelvin. The molar entropy of the gas at 300 Kelvin is 150 kilojoule per kilomole per Kelvin. The molar entropy in kilojoule per kilomole per Kelvin at 500 Kelvin up to one decimal place is dash. So here we know that the change in entropy in case of constant pressure process per unit mole is Cp ln T2 by T1. T2 is 500 and T1 is just 300 Kelvin. That we have derived. So it comes out as 10.727 kilojoule per kilomole per Kelvin, and entropy at 300 Kelvin is given as 150 kilojoule per kilomole per Kelvin. So entropy at 500 Kelvin will come out as 160.727 kilojoule per kilomole per Kelvin. This is change entropy, this is initial entropy, so we'll add this to find out the final entropy. Next question is, for an ideal gas with constant properties undergoing a quasi-static process, which one of the following represents the change of entropy del S from state 1 to state 2? Option A, del S is equal to Cp ln T2 by T1 minus R ln T2 by T1. Option B, del S is equal to Cv ln T2 by T1 minus Cp ln V2 by V1. Option C, del S Cp ln T2 by T1 minus Cv ln T2 by P1. Option D, del S Cv ln T2 by T1 plus R ln V1 by V2. So here, according to first law of thermodynamics, dq is equal to pdv plus dv, and we know that internal energy is h minus pv, or h is equal to u plus pv. So differentiating du will be equal to dh minus pdv minus vdp. Okay. So here, if we put the value of du, then it will be pdv plus dh minus pdv minus vdp, or dq will be equal to dh minus vdp. So if we divide it by t both sides, then we dq by t and dh is cp dt, so cp dt by t, and this will be your vdp by t. And if we put v by t is equal to r by p, then integrating it within the limit, so dq by dt will be a ds, or its integration will be your del S, change in entropy, and its integration will be Cp ln T2 by T1, and its integration will be R ln T2 by T1. So answer is option